Hey guys, it's Danny. Today it is time for a very quick orchid care tip. We are going to eliminate an active infection on an orchid leaf. Infections on leaves can look slightly different. They can be very dark patches, they can be yellowing patches, wet-like patches, sometimes they can ooze some moisture. No matter how they look like, if it spreads, it needs to come off. There will be patches on your leaves that will not spread. Those don't necessarily pose a threat to your orchid at the time being, but keep an eye on them. To eliminate an infection, we need a sharp pair of scissors or pruners, some household powder cinnamon, and a paper towel. What we're gonna do is cut away the affected portion. Keep in mind, we always need to cut way below the infection. So if you see, my orchid has some lines. Those lines are not good tissue. We need to eliminate those lines as well as of course the entire patch. So how I'm gonna cut is about 1/2 inch or about 1 centimeter below the last dark patch or line or spot. So in my case, it would be somewhere here. So I'm gonna make a clean cut like this. Let me get you in closer on what I cut. As you can see, I cut into good tissue, so I didn't cut in the middle of the infection by any means. And the leaf itself doesn't have any more patches or lines or anything dark anymore. In order to prevent reinfection, which is very possible, we need to seal the cut wound. And the easiest and most convenient way that I found is with powder cinnamon. So I discarded a quantity on a different piece of paper, and I am just dabbing on this cut wound a little bit of cinnamon powder. This will seal up the place and will actually help dry faster. What we want is a layer of tissue drying up as fast as possible, just so other pathogens don't enter and start wreaking havoc again. So at this point, we are pretty much done. You don't need a whole lot of cinnamon, just a thick enough layer to cover this edge, and we're pretty much done. At this point, it is very advisable to avoid water on the leaf, at least for a few days up to a week. So no showering and no cleaning of the leaf for about a week, and afterwards, you should be just fine. If the infection comes back, which can happen sometimes, we do the exact same procedure and we eliminate the tissue that is affected, again, cutting into green, good tissue. Give the orchid good care. You don't have to change anything in your care, but if you think that the damage was created by something you can control, such as the position, maybe it's a sunburn, then definitely address why this happened in the first place. If you don't know why this happened, or you're dealing with a new orchid, don't worry. Just keep an eye on your orchid. These things happen. And with this, you should be just fine. So I hope you've enjoyed today's quick tip. If you want more orchid quick tips or longer beginner tutorials, do subscribe to my channel. I post very regularly. And with that said, I'll see you next time. Bye.